Welcome this video. Kitchen design outdoor backyard. Outdoor kitchen have become one of the most backyard functional for homeowner than convenient. The comfort of indoor cook with the fresh air and beauty of outdoor living. Whether you enjoy host family barbecue, entertain friend, or simple relax with a good meat under the open scale, a well designed kitchen can transforming your backyard into a functional style and environment. We explored elements of outdoor kitchen design for layout and material to applying the core and main interest. Build an outdoor kitchen. An outdoor kitchen is more than just a grill. It's stand your living space, create a hub for special gathering and family meeting. Some key benefit entertainment value. A backyard kitchen may host effectively keep your connect to your guest interior or run back for focal indoor. Add home value. Outdoor kitchen are after upgrading that can increasingly popular appear where cook structure and clean area outside your maximize the need to transport food or sophistication in and outdoor living style upgrading. If more outdoor living and create reporting live experience in your owner backyard. Layout outdoor kitchen layout. Just like indoor kitchen, outdoor kitchen work but with defined layout. The most popular sticking line layout application and Space are set. One valve. This is great for smart patio. L-shaped layout. Open, extend space and drive cook for sub area. L-shaped layout. Provide maximizing drawing cook and story space idea for long backyard layout. Both a cook and a grating open area set when design consider the kitchen work grill and restaurant in an effective fail. Enthusiasm component of an outdoor kitchen. An outdoor kitchen can be a simple or vibrant as outdoor budget allow. Here are the growing elements to consider. Cook application. The grill centerpiece of most outdoor kitchen. Choose benefit gas modern. Pizzaing oven. Add value to your cook and enhance the dining experience. Side bring in or bring side. Follow top perfect the bring cook and reference. Countering top for perfect safe space. Dwelling and enhance the most space. Maximize still and popular balance than without outdoor consider. Rafton and stone. Maximize effective and bland color. Keep dining experience and restaurant convenient. Waterfall cabin make a streamline think help keep unit supported original. Set and dining area. Incorporating bring built in branch or a dining set. Your outdoor kitchen both as a social hub. Material select and durable. Outdoor kitchen or exposed to hot sun, rain and sometime freeze. Temperament. So material must be considered. Cutting top. Great contact and style durable resisting. Bring. Lights and embrace. Lights is for both functional and atmosphere. Task light. Water under consider or paglo perfect and cook area. Embrace light. Sticky light, lecturing or LED. Add a choosy feel. Access level. Spotting level on landscape wall enhance the overall mood. Consider a demo structure for exact light depend on whether you are cook or dining. Weather and comfort. Backyard or subject for underwater and interior comfort functional is wild. Bungalow and wrapping provide shade and storing. Outdoor hard or fireplace. Experience usable into cover even. Keep the area cool and summer hot. Style and aesthetic choice. Your outdoor kitchen should complement your